In the US, most people keep their money in bank accounts. There are many different banks to choose from, but the two main account types, checking and saving, are the same for all of them. Checking accounts are the most common type of account. You deposit money into the account and then access it using a debit card, check, or online payment method. Savings accounts are for money that you would like to set aside and not spend. You can withdraw money from your savings account at the bank, but you cannot use a debit card or checks with it. You can have both a checking and a savings account at the same time because they are used for different things. Some banks require you to keep a small amount of money, usually around $25, in your account at all times. Some charge a small monthly fee for an account, and some are completely free. You can call the banks near you to find out how much it would cost to set up a basic checking account. To set up an account, you will go to the bank and tell them what you would like to do. They will need to see certain documents, including some form of identification, proof of address, and your social security number. Once you've created the account, they will send you a debit card in the mail. Keep this card in a safe place at all times. If you ever lose it, call your bank immediately so they can cancel the card and prevent anyone who finds it from accessing your money. They will send you a replacement card if this happens. You will also receive a small booklet of checks. A check lets you pay someone by writing their name and the amount of money you want to give them. If someone pays you with a check, you can take it to your bank and they will deposit the money in your account. You should keep track of how much money is in your account at all times. If you try to spend more money than you have in your account, you will get charged with what is called an overdraft fee. It may be helpful to create a budget that tells you how much money you can spend on rent, food, utilities, clothes, and other things every month. When you deposit money into your account, it is not available immediately. It usually takes 1 day for that money to be available for you to use. Even if you deposit a large sum of money into your account, you need to wait for that money to be processed before you can use it in order to avoid the overdraft fees. If you need cash, you can withdraw it from your checking account in two ways. You can go to the bank and fill out a withdrawal slip, or you can go to an ATM. An ATM is a machine that uses your debit card to access your account and give you the cash you need. ATMs that are owned by your bank are usually free to use, but others charge a small fee. In order to use your debit card at an ATM or to make a purchase, you need to know your PIN number. When you receive your debit card in the mail, it will come with instructions for setting the PIN. A PIN is a 4-digit code that you create and must memorize. You have to know your PIN number if you want to make a purchase at the store or withdraw money from an ATM.